Most people think weight loss is about eating less. They're wrong. It's about eating smarter. I lost 20 pounds in 2 months not by starving myself, but by adding one 5-minute snack to my day that completely changed my hunger signals, and I'm going to show you exactly what it is and why it works. Here's the thing nobody tells you. Your body doesn't actually want you to lose weight through willpower. Willpower fails every single time. What works is when you trick your metabolism into doing the work for you, and this snack does that in 5 minutes. Before I tell you what it is, you need to understand why 99% of weight loss snacks fail. They're either too low calorie so you're hungry an hour later, taste like cardboard so you quit, or don't actually move the needle on fat loss. This snack does all 3 things right. But here's where it gets interesting. The snack is Greek yogurt with chia seeds and berries. I know, you've probably heard of this before, but the ratio is what makes it different from everything you've tried. Here's the exact breakdown. 1 cup of Greek yogurt, which gives you about 20 to 25 grams of protein, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds for 3 grams of protein and 5 grams of fiber, a handful of berries, so that's around 80 calories with natural sweetness, and, an optional half a teaspoon of honey if you need a little more taste. Altogether, this comes to about 150 to 170 calories. Now, why this matters is that most people eat snacks that are only 30% protein. This one is 60% protein. Your body actually has to work harder to digest protein, which means you burn more calories just from eating it. It's called the thermic effect of food, and honestly, it's the cheat code nobody really uses. But wait, there's a reason I specifically use chia seeds and not like almonds or other options. Chia seeds actually expand in your stomach. When they hit the yogurt, they absorb liquid and create this gel-like substance that makes your stomach feel fuller for longer. I'm talking 3 to 4 hours of satiety from a 5-minute snack. Most people eat a protein bar, feel satisfied for, 45 minutes, then crash and binge on other stuff. Not with this. Here's what actually happened with me. I was eating around 2,500 calories a day before, just mindless snacking, chips, cookies, stuff that tasted good but left me hungry 20 minutes later. When I added this snack at 3 p.m. every day, I stopped reaching for the junk, because I literally wasn't hungry. My daily intake dropped to 1,900 calories without me even trying. No calorie counting, no restriction, just not being hungry. The berries add fiber, another hunger suppressor, plus they have antioxidants that help with inflammation, which is actually connected to weight gain and cravings. It's a cycle. Now here's the part that surprised me. In the first month, I dropped 12 pounds. The second month 8 more. 20 pounds total in 60 days. But it wasn't just the scale. Here's what actually changed. My 3 p.m. energy crash has disappeared. I used to hit a wall where I'd reach for coffee and candy. Gone. My cravings at night stopped. A lot of nighttime eating is actually thirst or boredom, but some of it is blood sugar crashes. More stable blood sugar equals fewer cravings. I had more energy for workouts. When you're not in a constant hunger state, your body actually wants to move. The real kicker is that I didn't change anything else. Same workout routine, same meals otherwise, just this one snack, at the same time every day. But I need to tell you the one mistake I made that almost derailed this. I tried to optimize it. In week 3, I thought if this works, what if I add peanut butter? More protein, right? Wrong. I added 200 calories and it became a dessert instead of a strategic snack. I was back to cravings within days. Then I tried using flavored yogurt instead of plain. Same problem. The added sugar spiked my insulin, which actually made me hungrier. The snack works because it's specific, not because any of the individual ingredients are magic. They're not. But the combination at that ratio, at that time of day, does something to your hunger hormones that almost nothing else does. If you're wondering why I chose 3 p.m. specifically, most people's willpower is lowest in the afternoon. It's called decision fatigue. By 3 p.m., you've made hundreds of choices, and your brain is tired. You're more likely to reach for junk. If you eat this snack at 3 p.m., you're not fighting your hunger, you're managing it before the crash even hits. You're ahead of it. Some people have asked if they can eat it at a different time. Sure, but test it at 3 p.m. for a week. You'll see why that timing matters. Your body runs on circadian rhythms. The afternoon slump is real, and this snack is timed to prevent it. Now, before you think this is some magic solution, this snack is not a replacement for diet and exercise. I'm not claiming that. What I'm saying is that most people fail at weight loss because they're trying to white-knuckle their way through hunger. You can't out-willpower biology. This snack puts your biology on your side instead of against you. If you're eating 4,000 calories a day of junk, this won't save you, but if you're eating relatively normally and just struggling with afternoon cravings and energy crashes, this changes the game. The 20 pounds I lost wasn't because of the snack, it was because the snack made it possible for me to stick to a reasonable calorie intake without feeling deprived. There's one more thing I discovered that most people miss. When you eat protein-heavy snacks consistently, your appetite baseline resets. After about 3 weeks of this, I noticed I was naturally eating smaller portions at dinner, not because I was restricting, just because my body didn't need as much food to feel satisfied. This is metabolic adaptation in reverse. Usually, when you diet, your metabolism adapts downward and makes weight loss harder. But when you eat high-protein snacks that keep you satiated, your body doesn't trigger that starvation response. You're literally training your appetite to be smaller over time. Look, I can't promise you'll lose 20 pounds in 2 months. Everyone's different. Genetics, starting point, overall diet, all that matters. But I can tell you this, if you're struggling with 3 p.m. energy crashes, afternoon cravings, or that I'm always hungry feeling, this snack is worth testing for 2 weeks. Here's what I want you to do. Try it tomorrow at 3 p.m. 1 cup Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, handful of berries. That's it. Prep it in 5 minutes the night before if you want. Track how you feel. Track your hunger levels. Track your cravings. Do this for 2 weeks, and you'll know if it works for your body. If it does, you've found your 3 p.m. solution. If it doesn't, at least you tested it instead of wondering. Comment below testing it if you're going to try this, or not for me if you're already doing something that works. I want to see how many people this actually helps because the results have been pretty wild, and if you want more stuff like this, science-backed tips that actually work instead of fitness influencer nonsense, subscribe and hit the notification bell. I post every week. Thanks for watching. Now go make that snack.